Well, hello, hello. Look at us. We got rain. That's exciting. I haven't seen rain in a very long time. Honestly, we got Gulliver, Wendell's here tomorrow, so we're just dealing with the store and potentially turnips today, so this could be quick. Maybe not. Who knows? Who knows? I think any of those were new. Let's just do a quick check. 433, 483 is what I meant to say. 230, and then 100. So I mean, maybe Jared's tomorrow. Maybe we could get a new one. That'd be cool. I would appreciate that. Okay. Okay, not today. So we have it easy for now, but I don't know if it's a good thing. We got 2 days left. Maybe it's gonna be a no spike. You know, it's crazy. Cause I was like, has it been like? Let me just see if I can go grab this. Like, wait, hold on. Where is this thing again? Is it F5? I just want to like pick it up so it's out of the way, you know? Yeah, F5. Okay, so we had a raffle where we don't know what happened. That was the week of July 28th, okay? We don't know what happened. And then if we go up, July 7th. That was the last time we've seen a no spike week. We've only had spikes or decreases since, which is actually kind of insane. I mean, yeah, we'll see what happens. We did get a Thursday spike recently. And again, we still have never seen a Friday spike. So, I don't know. We'll see how things go. Anyway, that is a green pantry. We don't need that. We already have it. But it's out of the way. It's dug up. So I don't have to worry about, you know, getting confused by it or something, right? Anyway, I guess that's about it for me today. I can go drop this actually over here. Take it to the furniture acre. Where I drop furniture. And other things. I mean, yeah, I don't know. We'll see about the spike. I'd love to have it happen, but who knows, right? Anyway, that's gonna be it for me today. It's the 15th. We're halfway through the month almost. Candy starts being sold tomorrow, so I'll start buying that every day as well, which will take a little bit extra time. But yeah, hopefully I can get a spike. That'd be nice. I want to hit 400 mil, and we're one spike away. So like, please, let it happen. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.